What's driving up the cost of your sneakers and jeans? On March 6, 2025, President Donald Trump rolled out sweeping tariffs that are sending shockwaves through the U.S. economy and your shopping cart. Let's unpack what these tariffs are and why they're happening. First, the details. Trump imposed a 25% tariff on nearly all goods imported from Canada and Mexico, alongside a 10% levy on Chinese imports, effective March 4, 2025, after a 30-day grace period ended. These taxes target a wide range of products: steel, aluminum, timber, and even clothing, impacting $2.6 billion in daily trade with Canada alone. For Canada, a key supplier of 28% of U.S. crude oil and $33 billion in metals yearly, the tariffs hit hard. Mexico faces similar pressure, while China's tariffs add to existing tensions. A March 6 tweak spared some auto parts under the USMCA, but the damage was done. Companies like Adidas, reliant on global supply chains, quickly warned of price hikes for U.S. customers, with estimates suggesting a 5 to 10% jump in retail costs for shoes and apparel. Why is Trump doing this? He claims it's about protecting American jobs and tackling issues like fentanyl and migration. But the numbers tell a different story. Fewer than 1% of U.S. fentanyl seizures come from Canada, and migrant crossings from the north are negligible. Critics argue it's more about political leverage and boosting U.S. manufacturing, like steel jobs in swing states. Trump's America First push aims to bring factories home, but at a cost. Higher prices for everything from cars to groceries are already pinching U.S. shoppers. Posts on X reflect the heat, with users noting a 3% stock market dip in early March as fears of inflation grew. The ripple effects are real. Canada's fighting back with $155 billion in counter tariffs on U.S. goods, from whiskey to cars, which could drive up costs on both sides of the border. For U.S. and Canadian consumers, this trade war means tighter budgets as brands pass on tariff costs. Will Trump's gamble pay off, or are we all just paying more for less? Stay tuned as we dig deeper into this economic showdown.